Hello guys, welcome to Knowledge World and thanks for giving best response as I have seen till now. I'm getting on my videos, I'm getting comments from all of you. So it is really helpful. Today we are going to learn how to use Notepad in laptop as I got comments for that too. So let's start. First we'll go to the search here and we'll write here Notepad. When you'll click here, so it would come here and this app you need to click on that and it would be opening like this. So it is having three menus only, and here you can do anything related to typing. If you want to learn the typing or if you want to improve your typing, obviously you can do here. I'm giving you one line if you are really going to improve your line typing through Notepad. So you will write down here quick brown fox jumps right over the lazy dog. This is something like it is covering A to Z, all the alphabets of the alphabets. So if you write down it regularly again and again in Notepad and without having like breaks, so it you get the improvement in your typing too. Let's come to the menus of Notepad. As I don't make so much long videos, I try to make it in 4 5 minutes. So and I try to give you maximum best options available in the app or the content what I want to give you. So let's click on file. When you come on the file, let's say I have written my content here and I want to save it. So I will go on file. I will click on save as or save. First time whenever you will click, so you will get this box. You will select desktop if you want to save on desktop, and let's say you will give a name to file and then save. This file would come on the desktop if you will see. So here you can see, so this file is there, you can open and you can write down anything. Next options like this, save as, it is there. It is print for printing. Open is something like you have already saved and you will go there and you will select and you will click on open, it would be coming in front of you. After that, like edit menu is there. Edit menu is there for like undo it means you have done something and you just want to go back. You just want to do that work undo. Same paste option would be working, like you have copied anything from anywhere and you will paste, so it would be copied here. And for finding, if let's say you have too much data in this and you want to find something, so you will write down in this and you will reach on that part of the video of the content. And same, these options are going to be used, these are very easy options. If you want to have any font, obviously you can select from here. If you want to do replacement of any word, like let's say I want to replace error with hello, so I'll just click on that and I will click on error and it would be replaced. So same way, like you can use this and you can zoom as well. In that, zoom in zoom out is there. So these are the options and this is very easy to use. Just try to use it, and as I believe, like if you do the typing practice in this, so it is really helpful for you. So just try, and if you have any questions related to that, let me know, because it is the one of the easiest app in the laptop where you can do the typing related work. If you are going to have no modifications in that, so you will do that. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel and kindly comment with the feedback if any improvements are there. So obviously I'll be doing that. Thank you. Bye bye.